This is a website. Simple, straightforward, designed to serve small businesses and professionals. This is also a website, more advanced with animations and interactive elements. And this is a website too, a massive platform with powerful features and countless usability. Yes, these are all website. The world of web is pretty big, ranging from simple pages to highly complex platforms. Whether you are aiming to create your personal blog, a business site, or next big app, it all falls under the umbrella of web. As I mentioned in the previous video, web design is like making a blueprint for the house, while web development is actually building a house. No matter the size of the house, be it a small cozy house, an apartment building, or large hotel, the foundation knowledge of building a house remains the same. Just like that, even when it comes to web development, no matter what you want to build, be it a simple business website or a giant startup idea, having a strong foundation on how websites are built is really important. You might have heard of technologies like React.js, PHP, Angular, or JavaScript. These are powerful tools that developers use to create dynamic, interactive web applications. No matter the technology is used to build a website, whether it's React, PHP, Angular, or something else, your browser still needs HTML and CSS to display it. Let me show you what I mean. Here, I have a website that was built using React, and if you inspect the page in Chrome and look at what's actually being rendered by the browser, you will not see React code. It's showing HTML. Let's look at another website. This website is built using PHP. Again, when we inspect the page, what we see? HTML. And here's another website built using Angular. Same thing, HTML. Different technologies, same result. Because at the end of the day, your browser does not care whether the website comes from React, Angular, PHP, or Webflow, WordPress, or any other tools. It only cares about what it receives. And what it receives is HTML and CSS. That's why I'm making this foundational course even in 2026. Today, everyone is talking about React, Angular, Webflow, WordPress, Framer, and even AI website builders. But many people learn the tools before understanding the foundations and eventually run into problems because they don't understand website structures, accessibility, responsive design, or what's happening behind the scene. My goal with this course is pretty simple. Help you understand how the web actually works. No matter what tool, framework, or platform you use in the future, you will know what's happening behind the scene. In our previous video, we talked about web design. In this video, we're shifting to web development, which is all about bringing those designs to life through coding. Speaking of coding, when I first started in web development, seeing all the codes in my screen used to make me nervous. And I thought I could never become a web developer. But as I started learning, I realized it was not as complicated as it seems. Basically, if you can understand basic English, you can learn to code. Now, before we start writing our first line of code, we need to set up Workspace. So I want you to download these tools. A web browser, it can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you feel comfortable with. VS Code, we'll be using VS Code for coding. It's free and powerful code editor. Figma, even though Figma is a design tool, it will help us because web developers often build website based on design created by designers in Figma. Please go ahead and install these tools, and I'll see you in the next video.